SpaceX Falcon 9 Starlink launch December 1st, 2025 from Vandenberg Space Force. Please, there we go. Trying to. Whoa, okay, there we go. There we go. That looks good there. So when it's karaoke or MECO, just look for the second stage. You know, the one that keeps going. Because it's gonna happen. Pretty soon. Once you see it turn blue, there you go. It's gonna, the engine's shutting down, or getting ready to shut down the first stage. And that is not actually MECO, not MECO, MECO. Seeing, oh, okay, I do see it, but I can't see it with my eyes. See, when I look back on this, I see the camera like hit it and miss it, hit it and miss it. So stupid. I don't know why I can't. Oh, there we go. There, perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, yeah, thank you, Father. May the force be with you. No, can you see it at all? I see it. I've got it here. Very. Oh, shoot. I said that, Father, heaven, help me. I know this is a goofy request. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Father. All good is of God. Okay, it's octopussing, which means it's in space. Oh, this is a good shot so far. Oh, it's really moving. So you just watch for the landing. I still got second stage right here. Point Magu. Dang it. Oh no. Help me. Did you say nuts or knots? AI voice. I like the one that we used to hear 20 years ago. Thunderstorm. Dang it. Is that it? Yeah. I can't move. I mean, if I go behind the camera, I'm gonna lose it, but I'm like almost standing on my head, which is really not comfortable. This thing is trucking. Space trucking. Oh yeah, that's it. thing. See it? Yeah, it's alright. Well, I had it, but I had to come behind it. Where'd it go? Oh, there's it landing. Look at that. That's first stage slowing down. That's the landing burn or the slowing burn, and then it's off. It's way out there though. The other one I can't see at all now, can you?
Nope, gone.
Okay, so both are gone now. Because usually it goes down towards that what do you call that stupid thing? The street light.
Yeah.
But I don't see it at all. I mean, I think I got a pretty good shot considering I got it all the way until I lost it, and then I got the landing. So that's it. Buoy. The buoy. Oh, buoy.
That was great.
Oh, buoy.
That wasn't a bad one.
No one.
I like when during the day you can see the trail and all that.
Pall bearer. I got him on video. Pall bearer. Do something stupid. Wow.
Come on.
That's a singer for NDX. Near death experimental. Alright, here we go. And that is my... This is making all the noise. I think that's it. Bye. Signing off.